Welcome to the introduction of IELTS, the listening module. When you attend university or move to an English-speaking country, you'll encounter a variety of social and academic situations that require effective listening skills. The IELTS listening test is designed to simulate these real-world listening experiences. The difficulty level gradually increases throughout the exam, covering a diverse range of topics and tasks that assess your comprehension abilities. These include listening for specific information, details, understanding the main idea or gist, and recognizing the speaker's opinions. As you progress through the listening units of this course, you will be introduced to a wide variety of IELTS question types and additional exercises aimed at enhancing all your listening strategies. Listening for IELTS. Listening test format. Section 1. A conversation between two speakers in a social or semi-official context, such as arranging plans or discussing services. Section 2. A talk by a single speaker based on a non-academic situation, like a speech, announcement, or presentation. Section 3. A conversation involving up to 4 speakers related to academic topics or course-related situations, such as student discussions or seminars. Section 4. A university-style lecture or talk, often more complex and detailed, focusing on academic subject matter. IELTS listening test overview. The listening test is the first part of the IELTS examination and takes place at the beginning of the test day. It consists of 4 recorded sections, each covering different types of language and contexts, such as everyday conversations, educational lectures, or workplace discussions. There are 10 questions in each section, making a total of 40 questions, with each question carrying 1 mark. How the test works. Since you hear each recording only once, it is crucial to understand exactly what you are being asked to do in each question. Before each section begins, you are given time to read the questions related to that part. This helps you anticipate what information to listen for. Question types. The question formats vary and may include completing forms, charts, or diagrams, filling in notes or tables, matching items in a list, multiple choice questions, note-taking exercises. These diverse formats test different listening skills, such as understanding gist, specific details, and the main ideas. Answering during the test. You are required to write all your answers on the question paper as you listen. The listening part lasts approximately 30 minutes. After completing the recordings, you have an additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers onto the official answer sheet, ensuring your responses are clearly indicated. Additional skills covered. This course also prepares you for various skills needed for the IELTS listening test, including how to manage your time, improve concentration, and develop effective note-taking strategies. IELTS listening on the computer. In recent years, the IELTS listening test has also been offered in a computer-based format. Here are some key points. The computer-based listening test is similar in content and timing to the paper-based version. It is taken on a computer, and recordings are played through headphones. You answer questions on a computer, either by selecting options or typing responses, depending on the question type. The computer interface allows for easier navigation between questions and the ability to highlight or flag questions for review. The computer-based test is often available in the same venues as the paper-based test and offers quicker results. Preparation tips. Whether taking the paper-based or computer-based version, practice is essential. Familiarize yourself with different question formats, develop your listening skills, and learn how to efficiently transfer answers under exam conditions. ACE IELTS Listening Section 1. We will start to practice form filling. You will have to provide factual information, including numbers.
Good morning. I'd like to check in, please.
Do you have a reservation, sir?
Yes, I do. In the name of Matthews.
Let me just check. How do you spell that?
Matthews.
Oh, here we are. Room 226.
Thanks.
Would you like a wake-up call?
Yes, please.
What time?
About 7. Actually, past should be alright.
Fine. And a newspaper?
No thanks, I'll get one on the way to the meeting.
Breakfast is included in the price, but you do need to book. So, will you be having the full breakfast, that's the cooked breakfast, or the buffet, or breakfast in your room?
I'll have the full breakfast, thanks.
How do you intend to pay, sir? Visa, American Express?
I think my company's paying.
Oh, sorry. That's fine then.
Good morning, Golden Wheels Car Rentals. How can I help you?
Yes, good morning. I'd like to make a booking for a car, please.
Can I just get your name, sir?
Yes, Frank Moorcroft.
Could you spell that, please?
Yes, Frank, F-R-A-N-K, Moorcroft, M-O-O-R-C-R-O-F-T.
And the address?
My home address?
Yes, please. We need a home address.
Okay, it's number 26, Lake Road, Richmond.
Right. And could I get your home telephone number there?
Yeah, sure. Well, the area code is 02, and the number is, let me think, 33... No, sorry. I haven't learned this number yet. It's 36874500.
Thank you. And do you have a current license, sir?
Yes, I do, but it's not an Australian license. I haven't had time to get that organized since I arrived here.
Oh, well, you do need an Australian one if you're living in this country.
Oh, but I have an international license. That should be okay, shouldn't it?
Oh, that'll be fine. We'll just need to see it when you pick up the car. Right. Now, what kind of car were you looking for?
Well, I've got my wife, and I have 3 children with me, and quite a lot of luggage, so...
So you'll need a station wagon or a...
I don't mind what make it is, but I'd like a 4-door car. It's much easier with the kids, or maybe even something larger.
Well, if you go up to a 6-seater, you'll be into the next price bracket.
No thanks.
And when do you need the vehicle?
Well, I'd like to pick it up in the morning, if that's possible.
Not a problem. Let me just note that on the computer. Collect car on the 23rd of June.
No, tomorrow's the 24th of June, not the 23rd.
Oh, of course it is. I'm sorry.
And what's the rental cost?
Well, the rate is $70 a day if you have it for more than 3 days. Otherwise, it's $90 a day.
We'll need it for a week.
Well, then it'll be $70 a day. That's $490 all up. And where would you like to collect the car, sir? At our Melbourne City branch?
No, we're arriving by plane, so we'd like to pick it up from the airport.
Yes, certainly. At approximately what time?
The flight gets in at 11 in the morning, so by the time we've collected our bags, I'd say we'd need the car at around lunchtime.
Right. I'll make sure it's available for you then. And do you require any other special equipment? Maps, GPS, that sort of thing?
Yes, actually, we do. Thanks for reminding me. We have a 2-year-old, so she needs a child seat. Can you organize that?
Certainly can. I'll see that there's one in the car for you.
And
If you find this lesson valuable, like, share, and subscribe, so you don't miss out on more listening practice. Join the Hanks fraternity and improve your IELTS skills today.
Good morning. Is this the right place to report a theft?
Yes, it is.
Right. I've had my bag stolen. It happened last night when I was...
Slow down a minute. Let's get some details from you first. Can I have your name?
Yes, it's Anna Anderson. That's A-N-N-A. Anderson, A-N-D-E-R-S-S-O-N.
And what's your address?
Do you want my home address or my address here in New Zealand?
Let's start with the local address here.
I'm staying in a hostel. It's called Sunrise House.
Sunrise Hostel.
No, house, not hostel.
Oh, okay. Is that the one in Beach Road?
Yes, that's right.
Right. Now, can you describe the bag that was stolen?
Yes, it was a leather bag, a black leather one. But I'm more worried about the contents because it has my passport and my watch in it.
I see. Do you know the passport number?
Yes, I think it's 4528 7709
4528
7709.
7099.
No, 7709.
Oh, and can you tell me what kind of watch it was?
I can't remember the make, but it was quite small, with a silver band.
Okay, no make, but it's a small silver watch. We'll get this description sent round to all the stations in the area. Meanwhile, I suggest you get in touch with the embassy.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I want to rent an apartment. I saw your advertisement about two-bedroom apartment on Bridge Street.
Bridge Street 32, that's it?
Exactly. But I have a couple of questions.
Yes, I'm listening.
Does rent include all the utilities? Such as gas, electricity, phone, etc.?
Yes, sure. You are only responsible to pay the rent. The lease includes cost for such utilities as gas, heat, water, electricity and phone.
Great. And what about the internet?
Unfortunately, the internet is not connected. But you shouldn't worry about that. If you wish, you can contact the local providers to set up the connection.
Okay. And what kind of public transport is near the apartment?
It is very close to public transport. Both underground and bus station are about 2 blocks away.
Very good. I think I'll rent this apartment.
Very nice. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Yes. It's John Hooper. Hooper is spelled with double O. H-double-O. Then P-E-R.
Thank you, John. I'm Mary Dixon, and I'll be your apartment manager.
Thank you.
I would be delighted to assist you with your IELTS journey. Please send me your answers, and I will review them and provide feedback. How are you finding the process so far? Currently, I am using multiple questions as a simulation and orientation to help you prepare effectively. As we continue, I will blend and adapt the questions to better suit your progress. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated. Let's work together to achieve your goals.
Morning, Travel Link. How can I help you?
Good morning. I live in Bayswater and I'd like to get to Harbour City tomorrow before 11 a.m.
Well, to get to Bayswater...
No, I live in Bayswater. My destination is Harbour City.
Oh, sorry. Right, so that's Bayswater to Harbour City. Are you planning to travel by bus or train?
I don't mind really. Whichever option is faster, I suppose.
Well, if you catch a railway express, that'll get you there in under an hour. Let's see. Yes, if you can make the 9:30 a.m. express, I'd recommend you do that.
Great. Which station does that leave from?
Helendale is the nearest train station to you.
Did you say Helensvale?
No, Helendale. That's Helendale.
What's the best way to get to the Helendale station then?
Well, hang on a minute while I look into that. Now, it seems to me that you have two options. Option 1 would be to take the 7:06 bus from the Bayswater Shopping Centre to Central Street. When you get there, you transfer to another bus which will take you to the station. Or, the second option, if you don't mind walking a couple of kilometres, is to go directly to Central Street and get straight on the bus going to the train station.
OK, which bus is that?
The 792 will take you to the station.
I guess the walk will be good for me, so that might be the better option. What time do I catch the 792?
There are two buses that should get you to the station on time, one just before 9 o'clock and one just after. But look, at that time of the morning it might be better to take the earlier